Find the measure of angle P and measure of angle R if angle P and angle R are complementary. We know that angles are complementary angles if the sum of the measures is 90 degrees. So we can write equation that measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is 90 degrees. Now we will substitute by the given expressions. So we have 2x plus 19 degrees plus 5x minus 6 degrees is equal 19 degrees. Now we can forget about degrees and we can take down the parentheses. On the left side I will put 2x and 5x expressions with x's, and on the right side I will put positive 19 and negative 6. So we have 2x plus 5x is equal 90 minus 19 plus 6. So we have 7x is equal 77. Now we can divide both sides by 7. 7 and 7 we can reduce, and we have x is equal 11. So we found x. Now it will be very easy to find the measure of angle P and R. So let me copy. Measure of angle P is equal 2x plus 19 degrees. So this is equal 2 times 11 plus 19 degrees. So this is equal 41 degrees. And measure of angle R is equal 5x minus 6 degrees. So this is equal to 5, of course, times 11 minus 6. So this is equal 49 degrees. We found measure of angle P and measure of angle R. This is my solution.